we can actually do a service by helping people find their way into this crypto space, navigate it in a way that makes them empowered and comfortable and confident. That can transform a person's life, and it can transform those that are coming after them just by introducing them to an opportunity. It's more than just making money. Granted, we are excited to be able to put $1 in and get $2 out, or whatever that is. But to be able to actually create impact is what we're focused on here in eazybot. We know that there are hundreds of millions of people coming into the crypto space, trying to find their way, trying to figure it out. And there's no shortage of scams and scam artists and all kinds of programs where people want you to hand over your crypto and your control to them. We want to give them an alternative. No, they don't have to hand over their crypto or their control to us, and they still get the best of what cryptocurrency has to offer. They get an amazing tool that will trade for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without having to hand over their keys. They'll never close on a losing trade. It'll automatically compound their earnings, and on and on and on. Today, what we're going to focus on is the ability to accelerate that earning by sharing it through our affiliate program. So I'm going to run through this affiliate program, and then we're going to take some time to take some questions. Coach Ken, I'm going to ask you to stay close by. We'll take some questions and make sure that you all understand exactly what you have in your hands and how to talk about it confidently. So there's a couple of different ways that you can earn in the affiliate program. There is the package sales. So we have a free package. We have an advanced package, which is $250 annually. And we have a VIP package, which is $995 annually. So when you sell an advanced package or a VIP package, you can earn a commission on your direct sales, and you can earn a commission on your indirect sales. We'll talk about what that means here in just a minute. But the thing that I want everybody here to know and to appreciate is that it doesn't matter where you start. The compensation plan that we're going to go through here today, including this package sales commissions, is available whether you're a free member, advanced member, or VIP. It doesn't change. So a person can get started, just sign up as a free member, and start sharing this opportunity with others and start earning a commission from doing so. We want to grow eazybot, and we want to give everybody an opportunity to help us do that. All right, so let's talk about how you get paid by sharing and helping people choose a package that they subscribe to. The advanced package will pay $100 if you introduce somebody and they sign up using your unique affiliate ID. And by the way, when you sign up for eazybot, you're automatically assigned a unique affiliate ID. There's no additional cost to become an affiliate. If somebody signs up using your unique ID, you'll get paid $100, 100 USDT to be specific. And if one of those people then introduces somebody else to eazybot and they sign up on an advanced package, that would be the level 2, they would earn $25. You would earn $25. So let's use some names so this makes sense. Let me see who's on the call. So we've got, who's on the call with me? Anthony Athill. So Anthony is going to be the person I introduce eazybot to. Anthony is my level 1. And Anthony buys a VIP package. So when Anthony buys his VIP package, I'm going to earn $398 in commission. Anthony's paid $995. The company eazybot pays me $398 for that introduction. And by the way, when Anthony renews next year, guess what happens? I'm going to earn another $398 every time it renews annually. Now, Anthony's excited. He's going out and he's sharing this with a few other people. And he also introduces somebody who buys a VIP package. He introduces Gilda. And so Gilda buys a VIP package. And what happens then is Anthony earns $398, but I also earn $99. I might not even know Gilda. I don't know that he introduced Gilda. I just know that $99 showed up in my commissions wallet. And that's because Anthony went out and went to work. Thank you, Anthony. All right, so that's our package commission. The next way you get paid is on your software service fees. So software service fees are something that we give to eazybot for closing profitable trades for us. eazybot trades 24/7, closes trades. They're always in profit. And when that happens, we give eazybot either 20% of the profit made, or 30%, depending on what package you have. So if you're a free member, it's 20%. If you're advanced or VIP, if you're a free member, it's 30%. If you're advanced or VIP, it's 20%. And so you're going to earn a percentage of the 30% or 20% based on where that profit is happening in your genealogy. You have an available 20 levels that you can earn from, and there are some qualifications to open up those levels. But let me tell you what it looks like when you are growing your organization. So from levels 1 through 5, you're going to earn 8% of that 30 or 20%. And on level 6 to 18, you're going to earn 1% of the 30 or 20%. And then on levels 19 and 20, you're going to earn 0.5% off of the 30 or 20% that's given to eazybot. All right, so we're not going to give specific examples because we might go into that on this call because you're actually business builders. We're not going to do it today. You guys can do the math and kind of figure out what that might look like. But I've got to tell you that we are really very, very confident that there will be 6 and 7 figure earners just off of the software service fees. Again, keep in mind, eazybot is closing trades 24/7. I know we talk a lot about minimum required or recommended amount of $600, but here's what we also know, and here's what I'm going to encourage you to remember, is that there are people that will trade with tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands, and even 7 figures in eazybot. Why? Because if it works on a $600 investment, if it works on a $600 deposit, and you can earn X%, let's pick 10%, for example, then it's going to function just as well on a $100,000 deposit. Once a person has confidence, it just makes sense to continue to grow their portfolio. Again, keep in mind, what's also going to happen is somebody might start with, say, $1,000, and over time, their portfolio is going to grow. That's the whole point here. So as you're building a team, the folks that get started with you, they might start with relatively small balances, but over time, they're growing those balances. And the percentage that you're earning is growing as well. So that's what's really powerful here, is that if you only ever invited and enrolled, say, 10 people, and let's say there weren't even any of these levels that you can earn from. Let's say just those 10 people, well, you're earning 8%, and they all started with $1,000. Well, what's going to happen a year from now? A year from now, all of their portfolios have grown, because that's the whole point here. The eazybot's growing their portfolio. So without inviting a single other person, you've got those 10 people, you didn't have any more levels to earn from, but those 10, you're going to earn more a year from now than you earn today, because eazybot has done the heavy lifting, trading for them consistently over the last 12 months. And so that's really the power of eazybot. But here, in this scenario, you actually do get to earn on all these additional levels. And in fact, that number 10 is really important. Somebody let me know. I can't see the participants. Let me know if Martin Waterman's on the call. I'm going to ask Martin to jump in a little bit and share something with you guys. But before we do that, let's move. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Martin. Let's move forward. And one more really, really, really powerful way that you have an opportunity, we all have an opportunity to earn by sharing eazybot. And I really love this one. And I'm going to tell you why in just a second. So you get to earn something called a matching bonus. The matching bonus is where you earn a percentage of all the software service fee commissions paid to your level 1 and level 2 team members. So let's go back to the example of Anthony and Gilda. So Anthony's my level 1. I've introduced him to eazybot. So Anthony's on fire. He's building his team. He's sharing it with a whole bunch of folks. So is Gilda. They're off to the races. And so off of everything that Anthony earns, he's going to get paid something, right? He's going to get paid software service, and this is specifically software service fee. So he's earning something off of all the people in his organization through whatever levels he's qualified for. Whatever he earns, I'm going to earn 8% of that. So for a round number, if Anthony earns $100,000 in a month, for example, 8% of that comes to me. $8,000 I've earned. It's totally passive. It's a thank you from eazybot just for inviting and getting Anthony started and allowing Anthony the opportunity to help build a company. Now, even better than that, because Anthony's excited and he's out there building and he wants to take advantage of the full breadth of the compensation plan, he's invited 10 people and half of them are they're booming, they're excited. Gilda's one of them. And Gilda's out there and she's earning, let's say she earns $100,000 a month. That number could be anything, guys, but just for round numbers, I want to give you something to understand how powerful this could be. Off of what she earns, I'm earning 3%. So Anthony's paying me 8% And Gilda, who I actually never met, is paying me 3%. That is so, so very powerful. But here's what makes it absolutely amazing. You don't have to do anything at all to qualify for this matching bonus. I love this part of it, and I know it was inspired by a problem. We haven't actually talked about this, but because you guys are business builders, I want to take a moment and talk about what inspired this and how important this was to our experience. Again, most of you know we came from a previous situation that didn't quite work out so well. And in that previous platform, we needed to invite 50 people, or we didn't have to do it personally, but we needed to grow a team of 50 people to earn any override at all. We got paid on our directs, but we got nothing as an override on any of our people until we got to 50 people. I say that like it's a big number. In the grand scheme of things, everybody's going to decide what's a big number for you. For a lot of people, that's a big number. And there are some folks on this call that were able to attain that. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all being here still. Martin's one of them, in fact. But that's a pretty big hill to climb just to get to a point where you get a thank you from the company for introducing these folks that have went out and gone to work. And so with eazybot, you get you're qualified immediately to start getting a matching bonus from the people that you've invited. I'm really excited about that. I love that opportunity because it means that there's an additional incentive for you to go out and share this opportunity with others. Coach says something. He has a saying that he loves, and that's every dud knows a stud. You never know who knows who. Maybe the person that you invited didn't quite catch on fire, but maybe they know somebody who does. There's still 3% there for you for what that person goes out and does. So lots and lots of incentives for you to share eazybot with others. All right, so I want to go through a couple qualifications and notes so that we're all clear about exactly how you earn here. Specifically as it pertains to the software service fees, you get the opportunity to get paid through 20 levels. Let's talk about how you qualify for those 20 levels. Each paid personal referral, that means they have to subscribe to an advanced or VIP package. Each paid personal referral opens 2 levels of commission eligibility for you. So an example is if you refer 1 paid member, you're qualified to earn on levels 1 and 2. If you refer 5 paid members, you're now qualified to earn from levels 1 through 10. And if you refer 10 paid members, you qualify to open all 20 levels of your potential earning on software services. All right, something else that we're really excited about that's very, very powerful here is that you never lose any unearned commissions. Some of you are going to take a little bit of time to get to your 10 people to take full advantage of those 20 levels, and that's okay because you're not going to lose any of the commissions that you might have otherwise not earned as your organization was growing. We say that there's no breakage, common term in the industry. None of that comes back to the company. The company could have simply said, well, you didn't earn it, we'll keep it. And they decided not to do that. And the reason why is that we believe that it's an incredibly powerful motivational tool for you in your wallet to be able to see what you could be earning if you just kept going and introduced more people. The total compensation plan for software service fee commissions opens up when you introduce 10 people and help them get started, 10 paid referrals. And so there's a lot of motivation when you start to see that your organization is growing in different areas that you're not getting paid. If you're building a team, that's going to help you incentivize and excite your team members. So we're very, very excited about that. Here's an example of how that works. You have personally referred 3 paid members, and that makes you eligible to earn through level 6. Any software service fees paid through or earned or generated in your organization's level 7 through 20, they're not going to be distributed to you, but they are held in a reserve wallet waiting for you to get qualified so that they can then be paid to you. As you continue to introduce new people, new paid personal referrals, and you open up those levels, those commissions will then be paid to you because they've been on hold for you. Very excited about that aspect of our compensation plan. All right, and then finally, this slide is not going to be around for long. At some point, this opportunity closes up, it goes away forever. But if you're on this call today, you have an opportunity to take advantage of this. And that is sharing in a bonus pool that represents 5% of all the company revenue. All the revenue that comes in from the package sales, and all the revenue that comes in from software service fees, the 30% to 20%. Super simple qualifications. If you are one of the first 1,000 people to accomplish the following, sponsor 3 people that subscribe to the advanced or VIP package and trade with a minimum of $600, check, you got that. The next qualification is help those 3 people to do the same. Enroll, sponsor 3 people who are advanced or VIP members trading with a minimum of $600. And you personally need to be subscribed to the VIP package, the $995 package, and be trading with $600. That's it. Meet all of those qualifications. And if you're one of the first 1,000 people to do that, you have secured a spot in Founders Club forever. As long as eazybot exists, it is paying 5% to this pool, to this group of individuals who helped us get this company started, who built all this momentum that we have now surpassed. We're probably closing in on 16,000 members today. All of the momentum a lot of that momentum is being driven by our founders and our Founders Club. It's also a reward for those of you who are willing to go through some of the bumps and bruises that any startup is bound to experience. Not everything's going to be perfect. We'll admit that right away. And so our Founders Club, we're giving you a little bit of an extra gift for supporting us and continuing to push forward and continuing to support our mission, our vision, and our bigger picture to transform the experience that people have coming into crypto. Founders Club, if you're on this call, I encourage you to seriously consider doing what it takes to make sure you're qualified for it. All right, guys, that is the eazybot compensation plan.
Thanks.